gonna crash into a tree.
Let me get a picture of his face.
I'm gonna bite your tongue.
That's so funny.
His eyes are gonna break.
Joel said to tell you he's going to be indebted to you forever for coming to visit. Because I'm calmer now than I've ever been, I guess. What the? Oh, I missed it. He can't go anymore.